Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in my garage again, showing you my Craftsman 3/4 horsepower belt drive garage door opener. It's a 139.57915, manufactured of August 10th, 2018. Our garage door opener is still working. I know it looks like a brand new car parked in our garage. It's by the way, it's not our new car. It's a rental car. The rental car that's parked in the garage for right now is a 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. And yes, I got the remote inside our Equinox. I'm gonna be using the remote from the inside, and then I'll close it with the remote, and then open it back up, and then close it from the outside with a keypad, and then well, we'll use the keypad and then the remote, but we're not using the we're not gonna be using the wall button this time, just the remote from the inside and the keypad outside. Here we go, using the remote that I took the remote out of the Sienna because our transmission on our Toyota Sienna is acting weird, and the engine was making kind of like a buzzing noise, like a high-pitched whining in it. And I will have our Sienna get fixed soon. In a couple weeks, I believe. Okay, now let's operate the garage door opener first with the remote, and here we go. Not quite so loud. It is very quiet, the opener. Okay, now let's close the garage door, and here we go. Okay, now let's open the garage door again, and here we go. Let's do the outside viewing with the keypad. And now we'll close it from the outside. And here we go. You don't need to put a code in while you're closing the garage door. Okay, now let's operate the garage door opener one more time with the keypad, but I can't show you the code. Hopefully we just had to get a rental car because our, our 2017 Nissan Armada and our 2004 Toyota Sienna both had our transmissions that was acting weird and not shifting right. And the engine on our Toyota Sienna was making a high-pitched whining noise. You know, it looks like a new car parked in our garage. But we got a rental car. Okay, without further ado, let's go ahead and close the garage door one more time, and then that will be it. And then I'll put the remote back inside of the Equinox until we return it. Okay, I think that's enough for now, and I'm going to put the remote back inside of the car. Come on, remote, you can do it. There we go. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.